isa.
Dito lang sa likod. Tama yun. Yung tinataas-taas mo lang. Ha? Si Pila yung center natin.
Patitignan po natin ang ating huling play. Actually, Army is now on a 7-1 run. Lamang po kanina 12-11 itong PNP. But now, Jovelyn Gonzaga, yung cut shot niya na hirap basahin. Di ba?
Kahit
Kaliwete pa.
wala na talaga.
Ang hirap basahin nun. 18-13. And a lot of people actually practice that shot.
Yes.
Yung cut shot na ganyan.
Minsan chamba, pero minsan talaga it comes with talent na lang talaga, di ba?
Well, Jovelyn Gonzaga, the Bionic Ilongga strikes again. Dun sa regalo naman at 6 na kalamangan dito ng Army. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
Pag ako nakikita mo mag-cut shot, Noel, siguraduhin mo chamba.
Pag nag-cut shot ka, walang dedepensa nun kasi malamang alam nila kung saan galing yun. Molina. And kept alive there by Bunag. Here is Bautista ngayon. Sang Muang has to give this up. Salak ngayon. Quick set, Bunag. At mali yung basa ni Tadeo.
Lahat ata sila nagkamali ng
Oo.
basa. Pag ganun nagko-combination play, lahat babantayan mo, hindi mo na alam saan pupunta yung bola.
And again, Tina Salak, alam na alam niya yung pwesto ng mga kampi niya. 7-point lead. Now in the middle of a 9-1 run. Itong Philippine Army. Nene Bautista, 10-1 run.
Pag meron ka Nene Bautista, Buna, Gonzaga, what more do you need?
And again, you know, yung pinakabatang player na nila dito would be Jovelyn Gonzaga, who's, 22 years old. And magkakaroon tayo ng setting change dito, it appears, or no, Castro is going to come in for that to win. Seeing her first action dito, ito si Aidy Castro. So it is not a setting change, it will be more defense sa likuran.
Kailangan launahan ng receive.
Right.
Ng malalakas na service na binobomba talaga sila ng Philippine Army.
Molina gets one, easy one, no challenge coming from Gonzaga that time.
Nagsisorry si Gonzaga,
Oo.
nakita mo kay coach.
Parang tinamad si Jovelyn lumundag eh. So 21-14, pito pa rin po yung naalagaan dito ng Philippine Army na kalamangan. Gonzaga, Salak, Bunag, Concepcion, Labrador, Molina down the middle. And again, Molina misses.
Kanina pa niya
22-14,
ata,
yeah.
kanina pa niya ata tina-target yung end line. Pero I think this is the second time na nag-outside na yung bola.
Right. Ito, bagong utility at saka bagong setter na papasok para sa Philippine Army. Dalia Cruz, the former Lyceum star, sees her first action. And Nercy Ratay, also a former FEU player na member of the national team. Ganyan po kalalim ang bench ng Philippine Army.
Kahit sino ipasok mo, national team po yan.
That's right.
Or kahit prospect man lang ng national team.
I'm sure at one point lahat yan dumaan sa pagiging kandidata at least sa national team as Concepcion and Sang Muang get their signals crossed. 23-14. Ang layo na ng lamang ng Philippine Army. Timeout PNP.
Patapos.
As long di 25.
Basta na wala ang receive natin. Wala tayo. Damay na lahat. Kanina, umaangat. Umuol. 10-9, 11-2, 12. Focus natin muna yung receive. Ha? Wala.
Relax nyo lang. Tension natin.
Saka yung mga mukha. Mag-enjoy tayo. Mamamatay na tayo.
Alam mo, napaka-crucial itong game na to para sa PNP kasi tatlo pa silang wala pang talo. As we take a look at this last play again, Dalia Cruz connecting there at doon nga nagkabanggaan itong si Sang Muang at saka si Concepcion. Tatlong team ang wala pang panalo. Dalawa ang matatanggal. So this is crucial. Wala pang talo. Hindi, yung mga wala pang panalo. Sorry about that, Michelle.
Okay.
Wala pang panalo. So PNP, as Marciano scores, PNP, FEU, and the Philippine Navy, wala pa pong panalo. Pero dalawang team lang malalaglag before the quarterfinal round. So one of these teams, na nabanggit ko, FEU, Navy, and PNP had better get their act together already if they want to make it to the quarterfinals.
If gusto nilang humahaba-haba ang
Right.
kanilang Shakey's Feeding experience,
Bautista, dug up there by Labrador. Here is Molina, and again, Molina is not having a good day.
ang daming errors siguro nanggagaling talaga sa PNP today. Kaya
Right.
hindi sila nakakita ng paghabol o paglamang man lang sa Army.
Molina, mababa percentage today, that's for sure. And now the skipper, Johan Bunag, to try to put it away. 24-15, 9 set points. And they only need one on a service ace from Johan Bunag. So 25-15, nakuha na naman po ng Philippine Army second set. Nagpakita ng konting pulse dito itong kupunan ng PNP when they led 12-11. Pero that felt like ancient history as we take a look at our shaking play. Dalia Cruz causing a little bit of a traffic jam at the back row para sa kupunan ng PNP. Third set when we return.
Ako po si Michelle Carolino ng Philippine Army. Kayo po ay nanonood ng Shakey's B-League Open Conference Season 10.